welcome to the party. We got so much rent that we need a dolly. My bitches be off the molly. They country, they done, they tryna get it started. Ain't shit slipping my neck and my chin.
Hey everybody. Okay, so I got a surprise. I don't know if this is gonna be like a wig review channel or what yet, but I know I want to do hair. This might just be whatever. Okay, just enjoy. But welcome to my YouTube channel. Comment and subscribe, like, whatever, all that. So today we're sponsored by Elemo hair. You see it? I think that's like natural beauty and comfortable, 100% human hair. Okay. Cutting. So this is the wig. Oh, y'all, it came with like goodies and stuff on the inside. Like it came with this comb, lashes, a sponge, and 2 wig caps, and a little pouch thing. Really cute. Thank you. So this is the wig. 18-inch, 150 density. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I don't care if they did send me this wig for free. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is 150, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels really thick for it to be 150. And this is really good hair. Okay, okay, you guys. Not gonna sit here in front like it's not. Beautiful. And it's just a caramel lace. It got like lace all through the wig. Adjustable straps. I'm thinking about cutting them out. I don't really know. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Just gonna strap this on. I already did it off camera. They already came pre-plugged, so that's how we rockin'. Ooh. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Scalp already. Scalp. Already. So I'm just gonna brush all this out. So I don't have like, I have lace glue, but I don't feel like doing all that. So, cause I'm just gonna record this and then take it off. So, we just gonna pump this bitch up. So I'm just gonna take this. And then pull this back. Make sure everything's in place. So pull it back and get your spring. It's wet. That's what he said. And we back. I laid it off camera. Anyways, I laid it off camera. And well, this is the hair. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Nigga, how to go about the beat, go buy some heat, to stay by your piece. Sag real low, this a heavy XD.